What if someone asks you to describe the color, shape, size, temperature of the food you ate? Maybe you do not have answers of such questions. And reason is quite simple, that we do not eat food mindfully. And according to Vedic sciences, eating should be a mindful and meditative experience that can help with digestion and deepen connection with oneself and others. But in today's world, digital dependency is becoming increasingly widespread. And one of the symptoms is to check the mobile phone constantly, even while eating. And that is harming physical and mental well-being. So once you sit down to eat, put your phone away or switch it off, and take a moment to look at the food in front of you and notice the color, shape, size, what you might have never noticed before. Smell the food. Take a bite and observe the texture and temperature of the food. That bite in the mouth and observe the taste of the food. Bitter, sweet, salty, sour. And while chewing the food, listen to the sound your food makes. And then swallow it down. And again, take a moment to observe that how your body is feeling after that first bite. And that is the mindful eating, when all your sense organs are involved, engaged in eating the food. So next time when you sit down to eat, switch off the phone or put the phone away and enjoy the present moment. When eating, just eating. Respect your food, pay gratitude to the food. Your relationship with food needs your time and attention.